Okay, here's the video, and as people come up the stairs, Sandy will say to Tim, "Oh, look at those two lovely poinsettias sitting on those pillars. How beautiful does that look?" Okay, so we'll come up the stairs. I'm going to go slow so you can see where anything else should be. That's how that looks there. Okay. And then coming up the stairs, okay. Oh, maybe one right beside the bench here. Maybe one there, I don't know. And I know you're going to have the heat lamp over here, but maybe it could be beside the heat lamp. Okay, I don't know about, I guess nothing, because you're going to have, yeah, it's too much over there. Okay, so now I'm going to go the opposite way. Excuse my recycling. Yeah. Two pillars would just be awesome. So you just let me know if there's anywhere else that you think that we should, besides the two pillars. Okay. And I'll continue this video on the back deck. So, just in case you need another perspective. Okay, is that good? I think that's good. Okay. Oh, the benches, yeah. The benches actually, you know, when the light shines on it, it looks lighter. This one even looks lighter, but in person trust me, they're a lot darker. Okay. Now, I'm going to go to the deck, see if there's any logical spots on that to put a poinsettia. Oh, and I did buy juice squeezes and Corona, and that's just right there on the floor. I think we might need a cooler to put water. No, I guess not, because I'll probably have enough room in my fridge, maybe. I don't know. We'll figure that out. Okay, now I am on top of the deck, standing in front of the kitchen door. Well, actually, I'm going to have to step back I'm right against the stairs. So, yeah, maybe one right there. You know, but people might be out here standing, and that's going to take away. Definitely, we can't do anything, because I'm assuming these table and chairs are going to stay on the deck. Yeah, I don't know if we can. That's the only place, maybe. So I'll get 2 for the pillars, and maybe another 2 for the front porch, and maybe one there. So probably 5 at the very most, whatever you think. Okay, so I will stop this video.